at that area maybe.
In this area too?
But yes, this one.
Interesting. So that was an area that was also
Traumatic area, yes.
Mm-hmm.
We did the test, was somewhere here, the previous placement, and here. These are the grafts. These are the grafts we placed. Πόσο καιρό πριν το έκανες το τεστ?
4 μήνες.
4 months before we did the placement of that area. Okay, I'll be close to you to tell you what we did. So, they're ready for implantation. Usually what I do, I start always from the back area. This is a little bit long, so I can adjust it. So, by doing this, I will do it a little bit shorter. Okay, so you see it's around 4 millimeters now. Okay, this is ready. This is good. You're taking one. You choose where you want to put it, let's say here. You're pressing like this. It's not necessarily to be all the graft inside. And then with one movement, have a look. So now we are using mixed grafts, all the kinds. These are going to be and 2 and 3s and 4s. We're mixing.
You know, one thing that instead of holding like that, hold it like this,
okay, first.
and then press it down. And once you have it inside, then you put this.
I see. Yeah.
Because or else you may push it more primarily before you enter the skin.
I saw.
You
I did
might
it.
automatically press
Yes,
it
I
before you
understand.
enter properly.
I understand.
Okay. It's easy.
It's easy.
I have some at home.
Super.
I'm gonna try lions. Are these lions?
Press and go.
The lines are
yes, it's inside.
sharp.
Sure. These well, he's scarred too. So.
Yes.
Press and go. And is exactly at the point. Good. Press and go. I think it's okay.
You get it, you turn it a little bit, that way it stays.
So usually I use it in that way, sorry, so as to see where is the graft. So when usually I hold my finger because I do it fast, so I'm ready. So I use this part so as to be able to see the graft. Sometimes they're going up, so you're safe. And then I'm doing like this.
And you twist it,
go.